Hello, beta. So, welcome back again to the one more question of rotational mechanics. That is question number 4. Question number 4 part of it. Question number 4 says something like this for me. The moment of inertia the moment of inertia about x-axis of solid spherical segment of mass capital M. Okay, so see the figure which I'm drawing right now. See the figure is dash. This is your question. A diagram is something like this. Got a solid sphere like this. Okay, and in this one, I'm taking one small part. This, sorry. This is your x-axis. This is the center O. The distance from this point to this point is nothing but radius of this one. There is nothing but capital R. And this part is from here to here, R by 2, half of this radius. This one is also equal to your R by 2. Okay. So this small part, whichever I'm taking, this one is yes. So we need to calculate the moment of inertia about an x-axis of the solid spherical segment. This is a spherical segment what we are taking right now, the yellow one, isn't it? About your x-axis. The mass of that one is given how much for me? Your capital M part of relation. Can anyone try it better for this one? So try to pause the video and try to do it on your own without any extra help, so it will help you out. And really it will be required basic mathematics and some knowledge related to your integration. Otherwise, the remaining part of this one is completely okay with the given condition. Okay, this is something like a typical question beta. Now we have to consider a small segment that will be a disk because it is a solid sphere, but a moment of inertia of solid spherical element. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to consider a small element of your disk, some distance of your x for that shaded part basically. And we need to find the mass of that one, that small segment, whatever you're taking. Like see, I'm taking something like this. I'm taking a small segment here right now. Okay, so this is your small segment. Okay, that means from center, if I'm taking this distance right now, this distance is nothing but equal to your radius r. And this distance from where I'm taking this element is from here to here, it is the distance of your x. Okay, so this is some point, say for example, see this is your O, and this part, whatever I'm taking one small element, the shaded part of relation, this is say for example A, and this point is nothing but say for example B. And the width of this one is how much for me? This width will be equal to your dx. Width of this one is nothing but equal to your dx part of relation. Is it clear? And the height of this one, this height, whatever you are taking, this vertical height will be equal to your y. Okay, so this is your small element. This is your small element of what? Disk. So mass of this one will be equal to your dm. How do you calculate the dm beta? I hope everyone knows this one. Mass will be equal to your rho into your volume of this one, that is nothing but of your dv. A moment of inertia of the disk will be equal to how much for that small element? So di will be equal to your half of this one dm into distance of that one, that is nothing but of your y into r square. Isn't it? Is that clear? Okay, now, so see, the solid sphere is generated by revolving what? A circle about the diameter, no? Isn't it? So what will be the radius of this one? Can anyone tell me better? So radius of this one will be equal to how much better? R square will be equal to your x square plus of your y square. So mass of this spherical element will be equal to how much? So right here, right now, sorry. Mass of spherical element. So how much it will be? Mass is equals to your volume of your segment into density. So density will be equal to your mass by your volume. So mass is your m divided by volume. So volume will be equal to how much better? That will be integral of your pi into your y square into dx. See the diagram? Volume will be equal to its length into breadth. So length will be equal to your how much for me? Pi into your y square. That's area. Volume is equals to area into its length. Pi into y square into your dx. Limits will be equal to your r by 2 to your capital R. So that will be the limits for this one. So this will be equal to your capital M divided by, this one is your integral. What is constant in this one beta? So pi will be a constant. In the place of pi, if I substitute the limits, isn't it? So integral of y square will be equal to how much for me? If I'm substituting y square into your dx part deflation. See how much I'm getting right now? What is y square? Can you see better? Y square is equals to how much? See from the figure, r square is equals to your x square minus y square. So from this one, y square I can write as y square is equals to r square minus x square. That means this will become for me integral of your pi into y will be equal to your r square minus of your x square into your dx. Limits will be equal to your r by 2 to your capital R. यहाँ तक क्लियर है सभी को? तो अब इससे डेंसिटी निकाल दो, so थोड़ा सा इंटीग्रेशन कर लो. So rho will be equal to, so that will be equal to, what are the constant in this one? M is a constant, pi is also a constant. So into divided by 1 by integral of your r square into your x square into dx. So if I simplify that one and get the answers, I'm writing that relation directly. I hope you can do that integration. So that will be equal to your pi by your pi into, this will be coming out for me 1 by 5 into your r cube divided by 24. That means that will be equal to your 24 into capital M divided by 5 pi into your r cube. So this is your density. Okay, so density will be equal to, rho will be equal to 24 into capital M divided by 5 pi into your r cube. So this will be your density. Clear for everyone? Isn't it? So what we are doing, to consider a small disk of radius, how much right now here? Y. Small disk of radius y. Thickness of that one is how much for me? Dx. So mass of this disk will be equal to how much better? Mass of this disk will be equal to how much? This is the mass of your disk, dm. So already I have written that one. So mass of disk will be equal to, mass of disk will be equal to your how much right now? I'll write this one as dm. Mass is equals to your rho into pi into y square into your dx. Isn't it? So we are considering small disk of radius how much right now here? Y. That is a small disk. So mass of that one will be equal to your, mass is equals to volume into density. Volume is equals to area into its width. So pi into y square into your dx. Now moment of inertia of the disk about your O along your x-axis. So di will be equal to how much? Moment of inertia di will be equal to your half into your dm into your y square. Clear? That means I can write here di will be equal to, dm will be equal to how much beta? Half into rho into pi into y square into your dx into your y square. That means di will be equal to your half into rho into pi into y to the power of 4 into your dx. Clear? So that is your di. Now to calculate the total moment of inertia, what I'll try to do, total moment of inertia will be total moment of inertia. कितना होगा बेटा? I will be equal to, just integrate कर दो इसको, integral of your di. That is equals to your, rho is a constant in this one, pi is a constant, 2 is also constant. It is integral of y to the power of 4 into dx. लिमिट क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, इट इज फ्रॉम r/2 टू योर कैपिटल R, ठीक है ना। नाउ कैन आई राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ y इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैपिटल R, यहाँ पर देखो आई गॉट ऑलरेडी द y वैल्यू, so y value is equals to how much for me, y square is equals to r square minus x square. You can substitute that value here, so I will be equal to your rho into pi divided by 2 integral of y value will become how much for me beta, r square minus of your x square whole square into your dx. Limits will be equal to r/2 to your r, ठीक है ना। Is it clear? Is this point clear? Any doubt in this one? चलो इसको और थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग, I is equals to rho into pi divided by 2 into this one is integral, ये हो गया r/2 लिमिट, स्मॉल r इज नथिंग बट कैपिटल R, सो इसको हम लोग एक्सपैंड कर लेंगे a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर के फॉर्मूले में, तो ये बन जाएगा मुझे r टू द पावर ऑफ 4 माइनस 2r स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस x टू द पावर ऑफ 4 इंटू योर dx, isn't it? तो अब इसका इंटीग्रेशन देखो, अब अपने को पास यहाँ पर रो की वैल्यू आ गई, रो वैल्यू इज हाउ मच फॉर मी 24m by your 5 pi into r cube, so substitute that value here, so I will be equal to your 24 into capital M divided by 5 times of capital pi into your r cube into ये हो जाएगा मेरे पास pi by 2 integral of r to the power of 4 into dx, r to the power of 4 into your dx part of relation. किसी के आइडिया है, how do you do this one right now? y वैल्यू है बेटा r स्क्वायर, r to the power of 4 तो एनी ऑफ कांस्टेंट है, तो इसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा मेरे पास देखो r to the power of 4 into your integral of dx will be equal to your x, ये तो dx है ना, don't get confused, माइनस ये हो जाएगा 2 r स्क्वायर एज इट इज, integral of x square into dx will be equal to your x cube divided by 3 plus x to the power of 4 मतलब x to the power of 5 divided by 5. I hope this integration तो आप लोग को आता ही होगा, r/2 से लेके r तक, तो अब इसको हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं, तो ये कितना बन जाएगा देखो मेरे पास 24 इंटू ए पाई, और ए पाई यहाँ पर चले गया 24 इंटू योर m डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इंटू योर r क्यूब, 5 इंटू 2 दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 10, तो यहाँ पर मैं सीधा 10 लिख दूँ, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 10 इंटू योर r क्यूब, ठीक है, तो इंटू ये हो गया मेरे पास r square, r to the power of 4, in the place of x substitute upper limit minus lower limit, that is r to the power of 4 into r minus of r/2, upper limit minus lower limit, minus 2r square divided by 3 into upper limit r cube minus of your r/2 whole cube, plus this will be equal to your upper limit minus lower limit, that is r to the power of 5 minus of your r/2 to the power of your 5 डिवाइडेड बाय योर 5, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, सो ये सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे तो कितना आ रहा है देखो, तो ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास 24 इंटू कैपिटल M डिवाइडेड बाई 10 इंटू योर r क्यूब, तो ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास r माइनस r/2 इज नथिंग बट ऑफ योर r/2, यानी r टू द पावर ऑफ 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, r क्यूब माइनस r क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाई 8, isn't it? ये हो जाएगा r to the power of 5 minus r to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 5. और इस पार्ट को हम लोग पूरा सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं, तो we'll be getting this one as 53 into r to the power of 5 divided by your 480. So this is the moment of inertia I, isn't it? तो अब इसमें हम लोग कुछ सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, क्या देखो कुछ जाएगा r to the power of 3 चले जाएगा, ठीक है ना, r to the power of 3 जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर बचेगा 2, और कुछ जाएगा क्या देखो, जाएगा ना 2, ये तो हो जाएगा 10 इंटू 2, ये हो जाएगा 24 1s 24 2s, 20 इंटू 10 यानी 200 बन जाएगा, ये मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना बन जाएगा, I इज इक्वल्स टू योर, ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास 53 इंटू कैपिटल M इंटू योर r स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 20 into 10 200, तो ये हो जाएगा 200, isn't it? So I will be equal to this much, ठीक है, so moment of inertia will be equal to your how much, this is your answer for this, clear है, this is capital M है, क्या मैं इसको small m में भी लिख सकता हूँ क्या, isn't it? So what is your again data right now, capital M, the moment of inertia about an axis of solid sphere will be equal to your how much, okay, हाँ बराबर है, ठीक है. So this will be the answer for this one. I will be equal to your 53 mr square divided by your 50. Clear है? Okay. यहाँ पर देखो मैंने क्या क्वेश्चन था, यहाँ पर एलिमेंट देखो हम लोग ने कैसे लिया, ये अपना स्फीयर था, ये अपना सेंटर था, isn't it? ये इसका सेंटर. तो हम लोग ने किया क्या है, इसमें से हम लोग ने छोटा सा एलिमेंट लिया था इस तरह से. ठीक है, यानी इस पार्ट का यहाँ से एक एलिमेंट बनेगा, यहाँ से एक पार्ट, यानी ये जो एंगल बनेगी, ये जो थीटा बनेगी, इससे बना रहा एंगल थीटा, और इसका रेडियस होगा मेरे पास कैपिटल. एक्सेल के लिए जब हम लोग लेते हैं ना, सो वी हैव टू कंसीडर द एलिमेंटल रिंग ऑफ थिकनेस ऑफ योर, हाउ मच बेटा, इसका थिकनेस कितना बन जाएगा, dx विल बी इक्वल टू योर r into your d theta. Now to calculate the moment of inertia we need to vary the theta from where, 0 से लेके pi/2 तक. So theta will be from where, 0 to your pi/2. That is the reason we have taken the limits from r/2 to the r तक. ठीक है ना. सो ऐसे वाले क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं एडवांस के लिए. थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस अच्छी तरह से कर लेना तो वी कैन डू सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वेरी इजी. ठीक है ना. सो बाय दिस वी आर एंडिंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू रिवाइज इट, ट्राई टू डू इट वंस एंड ट्वाइस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मॉडल. सो ठीक है, चलो आप अच्छी तरह से प्रैक्टिस कर लो. सो दिस क्वेश्चन एंड्स हियर राइट नाउ. ओके, टेक केयर बेटा, बाय.